What's up, everybody? Don't think you guys were expecting to see me here, but welcome to the N-Ext DIY channel. Hey, listen, new year, new direction, new fun, all sorts of things are going to be happening over here on the DIY channel, including a lot of content from a lot of different creators. And when I say a lot of different creators, I mean something sort of like this. That's going to be fun, right? Let me explain. So one of the things that we've started to see over here is there are so many different uses and the way people are effectively using the N-Ext products in their lawns, gardens, on their trees, flower beds. Everybody has their different approach and a lot of value and information that they can share. So we wanted to kind of mix things up, get a bunch of different people to be contributing to this, and that would include myself and probably some others that you didn't see in that clip, surprise guests, and it's going to be pretty fun. So there is a bit of a switch up in the way that this content's going to go, and mainly it's to show you guys, our awesome customers, our community, how they can effectively use these products on a bunch of different grass types and, like I said, throughout their entire garden and landscapes. So that's going to be what's happening over here. For those of you that were wondering what's next, well, here it is. This is the new direction. This year is going to be awesome. You're going to be seeing all kinds of different app styles from all of these creators all across the country. So I'm pretty excited about it. Now, it would be very important for me to just give you guys kind of a little tip about this kind of spring thing. And I'll go into this more in depth over in the Lawncology channel. If you guys are subscribed over there, you can find me on that side. But here's something that's going on. Now, I just got back from the Lawncology Summit down in Georgia. Temperatures were very warm. I was seeing daffodils blooming, redbuds blooming. Things are happening like real spring down south right now. Some of the areas, like even in the panhandle of Florida, where there could be some, a little bit of dormancy that happens with the St. Augustine, it has still been just kind of cruising right through, like no real issues. So there are a lot of hints of an early spring. Now this could be sucker spring. That happens a lot here in the mountains where we think it's gonna be really awesome and the weather just doesn't actually turn into spring. We get third winter or fourth winter, what might be happening. But it's a time where people really need to start making their plan for how they're going to do their first initial treatments of, say, pre-emergent. If you're in those areas where it's starting to warm up, you really need to check your soil temps and see what's going on. It's very important to get out there and do that. Make sure your timing is on point. Now, it is early, seeing that it's the first part of February, which again means that things could shift and it could get cold again. This might be one of those seasons where there's an extra app going down in March or April to make sure that you're covering off all of those spring weeds. Now that brought up a lot of questions for people on what if they're doing spring aerations. Well, I think by now everybody knows my opinion of that, and I don't really need to get into it, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that the aerate product and using that compaction cure, if you guys are doing that now, you can do that with your pre-emergent if you're putting it out. You don't have to worry about breaking anything down faster or losing effectiveness by using an aerator. So those are just a couple of things. Here we go. You're gonna be seeing videos from these creators coming up, and I'm pretty excited about it. So, hey guys, I'll catch you next time.